The Chief Justice's Professionalism Awards. In 2001, then Chief Justice I. Beverly Lake Jr. presented the first Chief Justice's Professionalism Award to William F. Womble. Then, as now, this award honors outstanding lawyers, judges, or programs that exhibit the highest principles of professionalism. Over the intervening years, North Carolina's Chief Justices have presented this prestigious award to 26 recipients. This year, Chief Justice Mark Martin has selected 4 outstanding lawyers to receive the 2018 Chief Justice's Professionalism Award. Former Associate Justice Bob Edmunds, Ron Gibson, Jim Williams, and Erna Womble. Each of the honorees has exemplified the highest ideals of professionalism throughout their careers, and each has devoted significant time and energy to pro bono and community service. Let's learn a little more about these exceptional lawyers. Robert Holt Edmunds, Jr. was born in Danville, Virginia, and moved to Greensboro, North Carolina at the age of 8. He obtained his undergraduate degree from Vassar College with honors and earned his Juris Doctorate from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill in 1975, after which he served 2 years in the Navy. In 2004, he was awarded an LLM degree in judicial process from the University of Virginia School of Law. Edmunds began his career as an assistant district attorney in Guilford County, and in 1982, he joined the United States Attorney's Office in the Middle District as Assistant U.S. Attorney. He was appointed United States Attorney for the Middle District of North Carolina in 1986 by President Ronald Reagan, and served in that capacity until 1993, when he joined the Greensboro firm of Stern and Klepfer as a partner. In 1998, Edmunds was elected to the North Carolina Court of Appeals. Thereafter, in 2000, he was elected to the North Carolina Supreme Court and was re-elected to that position in 2008. He has served a total of 18 years as an appellate judge. Bob Edmunds has qualified as a certified Superior Court mediator by the North Carolina Dispute Resolution Commission and is a board-certified specialist in state and federal criminal law and in appellate practice. In 2010, he became of counsel to Smith Moore Leatherwood's appellate practice group, and after its 2018 merger, is now part of the firm Fox Rothschild. Bob served as chair of the Appellate Judges Conference of the American Bar Association from 2017 to 2018. Currently, he chairs the North Carolina Bar Association Appellate Rules Committee and is a member of the Board of Directors of Bar Cares. He is also a member of the North Carolina Supreme Court Historical Society and the American Law Institute. Over the years, Bob Edmunds has received a number of honors and awards, including the James E. Cross Leadership Award from the North Carolina State Bar in 2012, the Order of the Longleaf Pine in 2016, the Greensboro Bar Association Distinguished Service Award in 2017, and in 2018, he was named to the Legal Elite for Appellate Practice by Business North Carolina. He continues to offer his time and expertise in service of others by chairing the Judicial Response Committee of the Chief Justice's Commission on Professionalism. Bob is married to Linda Edmunds and has 2 children. Ronald L. Gibson grew up in Columbia, South Carolina, and matriculated to Davidson College. While at Davidson, Ron compiled an outstanding record of achievement. He served as president of the Black Student Association, was selected as a North Carolina Fellow, and received the George Gladstone Award for academic performance and potential for leadership and service. In 1974, he also won a Watson Fellowship, which allowed him to study capital formation in developing economies abroad in Jamaica, Ghana, and Europe after graduation. Gibson received his law degree from the University of North Carolina School of Law in 1978 and then clerked for Federal District Court Judge James B. McMillan. He entered private practice by joining the law firm of Chambers, Stein, Ferguson, and Becton, where he focused on employment and civil rights law. In 1983, Gibson began a corporate career at Duke Power Company, where over the course of 15 years, he handled licensing issues for a nuclear power plant, utility rate cases, and lobbying, before transitioning to management at Duke Power and assuming the role of Associate General Counsel and Vice President of Marketing. He has also worked as a utility industry consultant with the consulting firm of Scott, Madden and Associates. In addition to a successful career, Ron has an extensive record of service to North Carolina lawyers and to the profession. Ron Gibson is one of the few lawyers to have served more than 3 terms on the State Bar Council. He was first elected from Mecklenburg County in 1985 and has served a total of 6 terms since that time. During his 15-year tenure, he has been a member of numerous state bar committees, including vice chair of the Client Assistance Committee and the Grievance Committee, and he has chaired the Administrative Committee and the Program Evaluation Administrative Subcommittee. He also served on the Authorized Practice Committee, the Executive Committee, Disciplinary Advisory Committee, the Legislative Committee, the Appointments Advisory Committee, the Ethics Committee, the Facilities Committee, and the Issues Committee. In 2012, he joined the Board of Lawyers Mutual. On October 23, 2014, Ron was sworn in as president of the North Carolina State Bar by Chief Justice Mark Martin. Ron has remained involved with Davidson since his undergraduate days there. He has served on Davidson's Board of Visitors, as a member of the Vann Center for Ethics Advisory Board since its founding, and on the steering committee for the Davidson Black Alumni Network. Gibson has been a partner with the Charlotte firm of Ruff, Bond, Cobb, Wade, and Bethune, LLP, in Charlotte since 2011, where his primary clients are Mecklenburg County and Livingstone College. Gibson is married to Felicia Washington and has 3 adult children. James Thomas Williams is being honored posthumously this evening. He passed away on September 3, 2018, and was widely known for his integrity and excellence as a trial lawyer. A native of Durham, North Carolina, Williams was a first-generation college student and attended Wake Forest University on a football scholarship. It has been reported that he was a standout tackle. He met Barbara, his wife of 56 years, while an undergraduate at Wake. On the advice of his history professor, Jim Williams chose law school over a career in the NFL and graduated from Wake Forest Law School with honors in 1966. He was an associate editor of the Wake Forest Law Review. After graduation, he joined the Greensboro firm of Brooks, Pierce, McClendon, Humphrey, and Leonard, where he spent his entire 52-year career. In 1981, Jim began serving on his firm's management committee, a role he held continuously for 29 years, including 14 years as chair. Recognitions of Jim's exceptional advocacy skills include his membership in the American College of Trial Lawyers, for which he served as state chair, and consistent listings in the Best Lawyers in America, Chambers USA Leading Business Lawyers, and Business North Carolina's Legal Elite Hall of Fame. Over the course of his career, Jim received many honors, including the John B. McMillan Distinguished Service Award, the highest award bestowed by the North Carolina State Bar, and was only the 3rd person to receive the Advocates Award given by the North Carolina Bar Association. Throughout his career, Jim also devoted significant time and energy in service to his community. He helped found the Joseph Branch Inn of Court and served on the Greensboro Board of Education from 1984 to 1988. He served twice on the Board of Trustees of Blue Cross and Blue Shield of North Carolina from 1997 to 2001 and 2006 to 2010. In 2004, he was elected to the Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro Board of Directors and served as its chair from 2005 to 2007. From 2009 to 2012, he served on the Greensboro Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors. Jim Williams was also known for his significant contributions to Wake Forest University. He served as a member of the Alumni Council, College Board of Visitors, and the School of Law's Board of Visitors. He was first elected to the university's Board of Trustees in 2002 and served as vice chair from 2007 until 2009 and chair from 2009 to 2012. He was named a Life Trustee in 2013. Jim also served on the cabinet for the Wake Will Capital Campaign and on the boards of Wake Forest University Health Sciences and Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center. In 2014, Wake Forest honored Jim with its Distinguished Alumni Award. And in 2016, he was awarded the Medallion of Merit, Wake Forest's highest award for service. Jim is survived by his wife Barbara, 2 daughters, and 5 grandchildren. Erna Womble earned a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree and a Master's degree in Education at the College of Charleston in South Carolina. She taught music appreciation and music theory lab part-time at the college level to finance her education. She received her law degree from the University of South Carolina in 1986 and then clerked for U.S. District Judge Matthew J. Perry, Jr. in South Carolina. In 1987, Erna joined Womble, Carlisle, Sandridge, and Rice, now Womble Bond Dickinson, and enjoyed a thriving litigation and regulatory practice, representing Unum Provident Corporation as North Carolina counsel and National Litigation Counsel for Thomas Built Buses, Incorporated, among others. Erna is a permanent member of the U.S. Fourth Circuit Judicial Conference and has served as Vice President of the North Carolina Bar Association and chair of its Professionalism Committee. She is the co-author of 2 American Bar Association treatises, as well as publications for the Defense Research Institute. Erna is widely known for her abiding interest in the arts and humanities. She has served as a trustee of the University of North Carolina School of the Arts since 2013 and has been elected to various officer positions on that board, as well as on its advancement, governance, and personnel committees, and is liaison to the UNCSA Foundation Board. Her community involvement also includes service on the board of directors of the Winston-Salem Symphony, the Arts Council of Winston-Salem, the Forsyth County Endowment Fund, the Rotary Club of Winston-Salem, the Work Family Resource Center, and as chair of the YMCA Camp Haynes Board. She also served as a member of the Board of Trustees of the Western North Carolina Conference of the United Methodist Church. In December 2013, she resigned from the Womble-Carlisle Partnership and formed Clearly Bespoke Strategies, Incorporated, a niche strategic advising practice building on her work as a practicing lawyer. As a strategic advisor, she concentrates on advising influential leaders in the public and private sectors on a confidential basis. In this work, she focuses on assisting leaders to develop skilled problem-solving, decision-making, advanced communications, and strategic messaging skills, including leadership presence training. Erna is married to Bill Womble Jr., and they have 2 children. Congratulations to each of these outstanding honorees.